Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to log into the Play Store if you've forgotten your password. First, open the Play Store app on your phone or tablet. Then, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your account settings, where we can begin the password. Next, within your Google account settings, navigate to the Security tab. Scroll down until you see the section titled How You Sign into Google. Here, you'll find the password option. Tap on it, and when prompted, select Forgot Password. This action will guide you through various verification methods to confirm your identity. Once your music is in place, you have full control over its playback. You can easily adjust the volume to suit your experience's atmosphere and set tracks to loop continuously for background ambience. For professional-sounding transitions, implement fade-in and fade-out effects over a duration of, say, 2 to 5 seconds. Advanced creators can also use scripting to trigger music based on in-game events, offering a truly dynamic audio experience. Once your identity is successfully verified, you will be prompted to create a brand new password for your Google account. Make sure to choose a strong password, ideally one that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. After setting your new password, you can immediately use it to log into the Google Play Store and access all its features.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.